Hell yeah.
Doesn't get any easier than that, huh?
You know what I'm saying? We just got the new machine, the new 42 ton press. You know what I mean? We're gonna replace the machine that nobody liked, which is that one. You know what I mean?
So this will be for all the brackets and
yeah, this is a press for all the brackets that we make. That way we don't have to like sit there. It's like more precise. It was time to get, you know, something a little bit more better. The funny part is that this machine, they don't do tutorials on it, on videos and stuff like that. So we might be doing a little tutorial on it, even though it's not our machine. We didn't make it, you know what I mean?
Does it allow you to do new shit? Like different stuff than you could do on there?
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Like big time, you know? You saw that what's that metal? So we'll be able to do brakes like this, you know? Really tight. That's something that we couldn't do, and we can actually make them even tighter and stuff. So it's gonna be fucking sweet. I can't wait to start fabbing shit up. It just came in, so I haven't had a chance to even set it up in the shop or anything. So it's gonna be badass, dude. I can't fucking wait.
So before, like, when you would try and break stuff and it would hit that wall, you're not gonna have that problem?
No. Well, see, we can never make brakes this tight. Why? Because that machine won't allow us to make brakes like this. You know what I mean? Like this close. You know? And we can actually make it closer. You know? This is fucking big. This is huge, though. You know? Because then your fabrication skills like are unlimited. You know what I mean? You could do whatever you come up with, you know?
Yeah.
It's like, you know, every time I come up with an idea to make a bracket, I always have to work around the tools that I have. So with this machine, it's just like one of those, you know, fabrication things that's gonna take it a little bit one step higher. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be cool. We're definitely gonna put out some sick ass shit. You know what I mean?
So not only is it more precise, but you can do all new types of brackets that you couldn't even do before.
Yeah, before, because I was limited, you know? I'm limited on the brakes, on the bends that I can do with the metal. So now with this, it just puts it to a, you know, whole nother level of like, you know, because it's all like, if you see, it's all in like brakes, you know, like this bracket, you know? And if you can, you know, if you're putting it up against something, you know, now you got a shot nice tight brake. That we couldn't do with that tool. So now, like now, you know, let me give you another idea. So it's so gravy, dude. You know what I mean? So now we're like, now that we can do that, then we can do this. Say for example, you know, I don't have the measurements, but I'm gonna give you an idea of what we can do. That, so we can do like side of frame. Well, we're unlimited now, dude.
Yeah.
It's sick on what we can do. You know what I mean?
And does this die change? Does it
Yeah.
move?
What this does is like it flips over to a smaller angle and a smaller angle to a bigger. Obviously, the bigger angles, the thicker metal. We can do thicker metal and stuff. So. Like this is for like really super tight bands, you know what I mean? So what you do is just loosen it up and then you flip the die and then you can bend something easy. It's like a super easy machine to use for what we do. This is like a new member of the family, you know what I'm saying? The Bellows Custom family, you know what I mean?
What thickness of steel can you end up to?
It's a 42 ton, so I'm thinking like we could probably break half an inch, you know? It just depends on the length of it, but we don't do half-inch. Anything that past that, you know. Our thickest metal that we do here is probably be 3/16, maybe a quarter of an inch if we're doing a COE. You know what I mean?
The COE was a quarter?
Yeah, you know what I mean? But other than that, this is plenty of, it's perfect size for what we do. Obviously, when you see us use the big brake, you know what I mean? We don't ever do anything, you know, bigger than what we have here.
Yeah, it's always on the corner, right?
It's always on the corner on the good side because the other side's all fucked up. but you know what I'm saying, right?
What do these wheels do?
These right here are just like the depth. Like if you're gonna do a lot of brakes on the machine, like say we're doing a bunch of repetitive brakes, then if you look at here, if you look in the back, it has like a stop. So you can just slide it in and it stops. Slide it in and then it stops. If you see it right here, so these things move, you know, if you go to the back of it, it moves back and forth. And what this does, see, it adjusts. So it's like a stopper. So when you put in a bracket, it like gives you the perfect brake every time. Like if you're gonna do a lot of brackets all at the same time.
Gives you something to back it up again.
Yeah. And then this right here adjusts how high the brake finger, you know what I mean, it's gonna be. So this like, so that way if we go, see like right now I adjusted it pretty low, you know what I mean? So we can adjust it higher, you know, and then this one right here adjusts the how deep you want it to go.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? Like if your brakes are only gonna be a certain depth, like it be a 45, a 60 or whatever, you know what I mean? So this adjusts that so you can do the same brake every time.
I see.
You know what I mean? Like if we're gonna do like say 3 brackets the same. So we'll do 1 bracket and we set it all up. And then the next one will be just boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Boom. You know what I mean?
Precise.
It'll be more precise.
Fuck, that's sick,
But it's
dude.
like the simplest machine. It's for like dummies like me. You know what I mean? It's like the simplest brake you can find. There's like other machines that are a lot bigger. You know, they're bigger brakes, more tonnage, but we're not doing anything so that extreme. You know what I mean? This is like a shop like brake. No more fucking You know what I'm saying? And now it's like you know what I'm saying?
Is there anything new you want to try and make that you've never made before?
Yeah, well, you guys will see. We'll do that. Yeah, there's a lot of new stuff. Like I said, this like opens up to like, it opens another window or door to our fabrication. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like to your fabrication skills or whatever you're gonna make. You know, fabricating is like to make shit. So whatever you want to make, it's like opens another door to it. You know what I mean? So that's what's cool. You know what I mean? Never hurt to have a new tool in the shop. You know what I'm saying? Shout! Really quick, homie, like rap pow, you know what I'm saying? Like ta-da-ta, like ta-da-ta. It's just like fucking sick.
So does it go by the sensitivity of how hard you're pressing?
On it. Yeah.
Okay.
We can preset it. Like I said, like if we're gonna make a whole bunch of them, we can set it to where it does that.
Yeah, so it's the same
just
exact
like every time. You know what I mean?
Damn, that's crazy.
And it's all like manual. That's why I like it's manual. It's not really run by computer. You know, you don't have to type in degrees and numbers and all this shit.
Yeah.
It's all right here. You know what I mean? Like little tight bands. You know what I mean? So we could do like with our brackets.
Precision brackets.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Everything's more precision. So keep an eye out. We can start producing some 4-link setups and stuff.